Hey, hello, your psychotrauth Wolf Gorlick, Humans Riffing and IT security. Today looking at insurance, cybersecurity insurance, and auto insurance. So on Twitter, a rock fell from the sky and took out my sunroof, which is not cool, man, not cool. And then I went to get my car insurance to cover it, and they're debating with me, they're arguing with me, they're not going to cover said sunroof, which is frustrating because I have full coverage. Now, if you're one of those people who like to go, Wolf, why do you do videos in the car? Hello, Reddit. You may go, ha ha, you deserve it. You should stop doing videos in the car. Because to be told, rocks do not fall from the sky when you're doing videos and you're not in your car. I get it now, I agree. The tip for you is this: check your insurance policy, specifically cybersecurity insurance. Just like a rock in a sunroof is apparently not covered by car insurance, oftentimes I talk to organizations who are going through incident response and find out that their insurance premiums that they've been paying do not cover that particular type of incident. This is no bueno, especially when you're racking up hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars to remediate something. To find out that your insurance policy doesn't cover it is really quite cruddy. So what do? One thing that I'd suggest is running your tabletops, right? Tabletops are fantastic. Run instant security tabletops. See also the other videos I've done saying tabletops are awesome because they really allow you to test a lot of your assumptions in a low risk, low cost way. One of those assumptions might be, hey, cybersecurity insurance will cover this. So you might invite your security or your insurance agent to attend said tabletop. Hey, is this covered? Good question. Or alternatively, you might type up an after action report of your tabletop and send it to them and get their feedback at that point in time. Would this be covered in my insurance premium? The point is this: make sure you find out if you are covered before rocks fall from the sky. That's my story and sticking to it. How about you? Do you hate insurance? Do you have any cybersecurity insurance war stories? Comments, social media, hit me up.